How to fix Snapchat add-in friends problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now go to this page. Now scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop right here as you can see. When you click on force stop, go down to the data usage, disable the background data and the roaming data, and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, exactly like this. Now the last thing you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.